The brand new Samsung Galaxy S9, has it just leaked? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on Quad Reviews. I'm Quad. Peace and blessings to you all out there. And this video we're going to be taking a look at the released or the leaked release specs for the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9. Now before we do, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Do smash that subscribe button down below so that you're notified whenever videos like this go live. Now on to today's video, and this is quite exciting because 2018 has already kicked in and there are rumors and leaks related to this year's range of smartphones. One of those highly anticipated smartphones is from Samsung in the shape of the Galaxy S9. Now we've heard already and seen quite a few of the leaks related to the S9, but this is the first time we're getting to see something, if it's to be believed, as clear a leak as you can possibly get. So a few days ago, I was on my Instagram feed scrolling through and I came across an image by somebody called Benjamin. Now Benjamin is somebody that I know from Instagram and Twitter. He's a really nice guy and he has been coming up with a range of different leaks and releases for a while now. Now the original image was actually posted a few days ago on a Reddit page and it features a final or supposedly final retail box for the Samsung Galaxy S9. Now some of the specs are interesting because the specs that we already kind of have been given a teaser towards in terms of previous leaks and rumors. First off, if we take a look right at the top, we can see that there are mentions of the actual dimensions of the physical device. Apparently this is going to be a 5.8-inch smartphone with an infinity display featuring a Quad HD resolution. After that, we get a mention of the camera. Now this is really interesting because on the box, it mentions a super speed dual pixel. And this kind of tallies up already with some of the rumors that have been circulating for a while that the brand new S9 is not gonna have a dual camera setup, but rather a dual pixel rear facing camera with a 12 megapixel sensor. And it seems like this might be confirmed. Super slow-mo has also been mentioned, but we'll have to wait and see exactly what that entails. Now it also mentions an 8 megapixel front-facing selfie camera, which has been expected, stereo speakers, IP68 water and dust resistance, as well as 64 gigabytes of onboard storage, and this box claims 4 gigabytes of RAM. Now that's really interesting because for a 2018 device, an Android device, 4 gigabytes of RAM might be you know, a little sort of underwhelming, but this might also mean that with the S9 Plus, we might get a bump up of 6 or possibly even 8 gigabytes of RAM. The other interesting thing that it features is wireless charging on the back. Final thing, which really isn't mentioned on the box, is in terms of what Samsung are going to introduce for the next generation of security. Now we know with the iPhone 10, the new Face ID is one of the selling features of the iPhone 10. Is Samsung going to do something similar with this? Well, on the box at the back, it's mentioned iris scanner, which is something that we have already seen with the Note devices. But is this going to be a generation up from that? Is this going to be a more advanced version of the iris scanner? All will have to be revealed shortly. Now, the good thing is when the guys at Samsung were asked about, you know, details for the S9, upcoming smartphones at CES, they were tight-lipped, but we know that they are going to be announcing things at MWC, which is the Mobile World Congress, taking place next month. But what do you guys think? What do you think of these rumors, this image? Leave a comment down below, and yeah, I guess next month we'll find out if all of this has been real. Anyway, that's it from me for now. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and again, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe because we've got more awesome content like this coming up. Peace and blessings. Over and out.